Good morning and thanks for joining us this Thursday, the 23rd of March. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. The Federal Reserve has announced a further 25 basis point rate hike, and although this was widely expected, the US stock market declined, with all three major benchmarks closing around 1.6% lower. The Fed also acknowledged turmoil in the banking sector could slow the already fragile economy, which saw US bank shares slide. Looking to the day ahead, the SPY futures are suggesting our local market will drop 0.74% at the open this morning, following Wall Street's lead. And in commodities, the price of oil continues to regain last week's losses after data out from the US Energy Information Administration showed a surprise build in US crude stocks and large draws in other fuels like gasoline. Also, the US oil benchmark is 5% higher this week as the Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said the government would be willing to take further action to protect deposits. So watch ASX energy shares today. The price of gold is over 1.5% higher and is heading toward a one-year high as investors wait on the Fed's dovish tone in its policy decision. So this may see gold miners rise, such as Regis Resources, Newcrest, Northern Star Resources, and Evolution Mining. Meanwhile, iron ore has dropped more than 1%, extending the retreat from the 9-month high hit last week amid increased control of speculatory prices and curbs for major steel producers. And watch the share price movements of Brickworks BKW today, which is set to release its earnings report. And to end on some trading ideas, Bell Potter maintain a buy rating on EROAD, ERD, with modest downgrades to their forecasts post the company's guidance update provided late last month and their investor day held this week. Bell Potter have decreased their price target down 32% to $1.50 after updating each valuation used in the determination of their price target for the forecast changes, as well as market movements and time creep. The $1.50 target is still an over 100% premium to their current share price of 64 cents. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in AGL Energy, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $7.07 to the range of $7.30 to $7.36 over 22 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.